How to set up donation in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a donation page in your Squarespace website. Maybe you need it for fundraising or charity or something like that. So yeah, it's gonna be very easy. First, you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard here. And then in this dashboard, you can go to website. And then as you can see on the left side, you can see there is donation here. You can click it. Then as you can see, there are some options, maybe advocacy groups, and then nonprofits, fundraisers, and charities. There are some option, and there is standard donation, mobile donation page, so you can optimize your giving page for on the go donation. And then also fundraiser, it's like raise fund for your school group or program. So we're gonna click create here. And then let's say we're gonna choose standard donation because it's easier. And then you can choose the template. Let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one, and it will brings you to this new page. So you can name it maybe donation page. And then you can just click edit here to go to website editor to edit your page. And then you can just modify it, it's up to you if you want to change it. And then basically this is the donation button or page. So this is the donation section. You can edit the section. Maybe you want to the edit something like that, the gift, the full screen if you want or not. It's up to you. If you want to fill screen and then the high, it's up to you for this section. And then the background, if you want to change the background image or something like that, and then also the color. So if you want to modify this donation, what is this? Donation button, let's say you have to upgrade, I guess, because you cannot edit it if you are in a free version. So you have to upgrade to business to be able to accept donation. And then let's say you can change the funds for the payment system. Then also you can change the design. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.